How's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about combining and slicing arrays. So let's begin. What we're gonna do now, remove those. Let make a constant, name it first, and put 1, 2, 3. Now what we're gonna do is const second and make another array up to 4, 5, 6. So after that, const combined equals first dot concat. What is that? It concatenation the second one on the first. It's this is what it gonna do now. So when we log on the console combined, it will show that how we add both of them. So concat used for combining them. And now we're gonna show slice. So const slice, and what we're gonna do, combined dot slice, pass the parameter of 2, 4 and log it on a console slice. When you do that, we can see that it removed from 2 to up to 4. So after that, what we're gonna do now is let's remove the 4. We're gonna see, you can see that we can see 3, 4, 5, and if we remove the whole, it's gonna show all of them. So this is what it really do, slice do. It replace or remove character from mid while you want to remove that. This is what it do. Thanks for watching this video, and see you guys next time.